Hey guys, this is Alice. Welcome back to my another junk journal process video. I don't use my journal chronologically. I just choose a page that speaks to me or might go well with the ephemera that I want to use. I'm pulling out my personal ephemera that I want to journal about today and some pretty things to decorate. I really wanted to include this paper crown that came with a pie called Galette de Roi. That's the reason I chose this page because I thought gold and black will go well together. I also wanted to journal about this postcard-sized pamphlet from an exhibition about roses I went. Now I'm trying to use a package of ephemera pack I bought. It's from Wild and Free collection by Prima. Normally, packages comes with craft supplies are so pretty, so I always try to find a way to include them in my journal. And I pulled out some washi tapes have roses in it. These are die cuts I got from Happy Mails. And I looked into my scrap pocket and pulled out 2 scraps. This is my washi tape display book that I can see easily how they look when they are used. It is really convenient and pretty at the same time. I'm backing the pamphlet with the rest of the package so I can journal on the back too. This is a sticker washi tape from a company Bande. They have wide collection and all of them are beautiful. This one I'm using is called Classic Rose. I'm using same floor washi tape on the right page to give continuity, and now I'm journaling. This is how it's done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and hit the like button if you like this video. I'll link my last journal with me video here in case you're interested. If you have any question, leave it in comment below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a great day!